PERT cram. English grammar conventions. Past perfect verb tense, past participle. 8th grade skill level question 14. Memedicine, antidote your ignorance. Show some love and throw some bands on my Cash App. Cash App, hashtag, $, memedicine. Keep me fueled. I can continuously provide you with these bills. Keep you in the know and up your knowledge game. Be sure to subscribe. English Foundation, Verb Tense, Question 14. Complete the sentence with the past perfect form of the verb. Colombian writer Gabriel Garcia Marquez blank movie scripts and texts for advertisements to support himself before his novel 100 Years of Solitude was published to critical and popular acclaim. The task here is to shift the tense of write to its past perfect tense verb form. The perfect tense describes completed actions. Another way of saying this is the perfect tense usually tells about something that has, had, or will have happened. To form the perfect tense, use a form of the helping verb to have with the past participle of the main verb. The past participle of a verb is usually the same as its past tense form. Its simple past tense form, that is. But sometimes the verb is irregular. The past perfect tense tells about something that had happened before something else. It uses the past tense form of the helping verb to have, which is had. Check out this example. We had finished dinner by the time Tim arrived. Again, we've used the past tense form of to have, which is had, across the board, regardless of whether or not our subject is plural or singular. And we've paired it with the past participle of the main verb, whose original form is finished. So finished is regular. It doesn't have a different past participle. Its past participle and its past tense form are the same. So had finished is the correct past perfect tense verb form. All right, back to the original question, now for a detailed solution. Again, the past perfect tense describes a completed action that had happened before something else. But note that the something else also took place in the past. To form the past perfect tense, use the past tense form of the helping verb to have, which is had, H-A-D, with the past participle of the main verb. According to this rule, had written is the past perfect tense of write. The main verb write is irregular. Notice that the past participle verb form, written, differs from the simple past tense verb form of write, which is wrote. In case you did not recall, wrote is spelled W-R-O-T-E. I'm highlighting this difference because some tend to assume that the past participle verb form of a main verb is always the same as its simple past tense. This is only true for regular verbs. All right, let's get back on track. I'm reiterating one last time that had written is the correct past perfect verb form of write because Marquez created several written works before publishing his popular novel, 100 Years of Solitude. And notice that both events took place in the past. I just want you to sit with these details for a moment because I know that this can seem overwhelming, but if you just keep on repeating and watching all the sessions, you'll definitely get the hang of it. It's all about repetition when it comes to this topic. All right, so we have preceded written with the past tense form of the helping verb to have, which again is had, and it agrees in number with the singular third person subject of the verb, Colombian writer Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Had written is the correct past perfect tense verb form.